Today, how Google, Apple, and Meta will work on implementing actions from President Biden's recent executive order. But before we get into that, most micro SD cards will be fast enough for storing photos, recording video, and transferring files, but some options will provide a little more value than others. If you're looking to add storage space to a Nintendo Switch, GoPro, Raspberry Pi, or any other compatible device, we've thoroughly researched the market and put more than a dozen models through a range of benchmark tests. Head over to Engadget.com and check out our list of the best micro SD cards for all kinds of data storage needs, plus some general advice on what to look for when buying a new card. And if there's one thing we've learned about today's Bluetooth speakers, it's that for general consumers, the options are pretty good. However, that doesn't make the process of sifting through the dozens of choices to find the best buy any easier. So we have set out to test out some of the most popular models at different price points. We have found plenty of good options that will fit a range of use cases and price points. So check out our list of the best portable Bluetooth speakers for 2024 at Engadget.com. A whole bunch of big tech companies, 200 in all, have joined a U.S.-based effort to advance responsible AI practices. The U.S. AI Safety Institute Consortium, ASIC, will count Meta, Google, Microsoft, and Apple as members. Commerce Secretary Gina Raimondo just announced the group's numerous new members and said that they'll be tasked with carrying out actions indicated by President Biden's sweeping executive order on artificial intelligence. The U.S. government has a significant role to play in setting the standards and developing the tools we need to mitigate the risks and harness the immense potential of artificial intelligence, Raimondo said in a statement. Biden's October executive order was far-reaching, so this consortium will focus on developing guidelines for red teaming, capability evaluations, risk management, safety and security, and watermarking synthetic content. Red teaming is a cybersecurity term that dates back to the Cold War. It refers to simulations in which the enemy was called the red team. In this case, the enemy would be an AI hell-bent on behaving badly. Those engaged in this practice will try to trick the AI into doing bad things, like exposing credit card numbers via prompt hacking. Once people know how to break the system, they can build better protections. Watermarking synthetic content is another important aspect of Biden's original order. Consortium members will develop guidelines and actions to ensure that users can easily identify AI-generated materials. This will hopefully decrease deepfake trickery and AI-enhanced misinformation. Digital watermarking has yet to be widely adopted, though this program will facilitate and help standardize underlying technical specifications behind the practice. The consortium's work is just beginning, though the Commerce Department says it represents the largest collection of testing and evaluation teams in the world. Biden's executive order and this affiliated consortium are pretty much all we've got for now. Congress keeps failing to pass meaningful AI legislation of any kind. Thanks for listening to the show. Make sure to rate, review, and subscribe on Apple Podcasts. Today's show featured journalism by Engadget contributor Lawrence Bonk and was produced by Spoken Layer. I'm Imran Sheikh, and we'll talk more on Monday.
Spoken Layer.